Hey guys, it's Mike at Narcs Electric Customs. We're phase 2 for Stanley today. We got the trans and new converter in from TCI. Hoping with the stock 4.8 that's in it now, we should see something around 2,800 RPM on the stall, and then once we add the turbo and stuff, should see 3,200 for stall. So to kind of combat some of the wheel hop, I'm building a torque arm suspension to help with the axle wrap with the leaf springs on the GMC. And way back when, before Steven lifted the big gray truck, he had regular stock springs on it, 3/4 ton Dodge. So I'm going to take these and add them to the leaf spring pack that's on the old truck now, mainly because I want a stronger pack, one, but then two, I also want to raise it up a little bit. As it's been so low and on 3 leaf springs, the springs have relaxed a little more. So I want to bring some of that back up. And obviously using the long spring from a 2011 Dodge Ram 3/4 ton truck will help lift it, but also help with length, with strength. And I don't want to finish the torque arm stuff until I have an actual ride height. So I'll go ahead and give you a shot here. You can actually see the leaf spring is kind of flexing there. So we're going to fix that today. I don't know if you guys can see this or not, but we're going to start messing with it. So I need to kind of see how far or how long. And so I'm gonna cut it right before this. That way it'll sit right up against probably here, which is a little bit behind it. That way it's not too long. Because I mean, there's no point in having it way up here, obviously. So this is probably some of the hardest metal you'll cut. So I'm gonna grab a chalk line real quick, or a chalk piece, and get this cut down, or get it marked so we can cut it. Alright guys, and the transmission is back in. You're probably not seeing a whole lot of shit on this pick, but fabbed up a new cross member, got the drive shaft mounted, so on to the next step. Alright guys, that's it for y'all today. I'm going to work on getting the other side of the leaf spring done, and the harness won't be ready for another couple days, so we're just kind of in a waiting stage on it. So I'm gonna get the leaf spring done, drop it down, roll it outside, and hopefully, on Tuesday when the new air conditioning line comes in for Elsie, I'll finish it. So anyways, thanks for watching. Subscribe to the channel to keep up with what's coming. See you.